Hello dear traders and welcome back to Insta TV. I'm Anna Kasatki. Now let's take another look at the financial markets today. Oil prices plummeted yesterday because market participants are voicing concern that a supply glut is building up. Besides, experts say the global risk aversion is another reason behind a slump. On Tuesday, political factors were to blame for the bear trend. Despite the assassination of journalist Jamal Khashoggi, Donald Trump stated that Saudi Arabia remains a steadfast partner of the US. Saudi Arabia is the second largest oil producer after the US. Investors assume that Saudi-led OPEC will give in to the US pressure and will not announce readiness for the major oil producers to cut their oil output. In response to Trump's remarks, Brent crude international benchmark tumbled 5%. Nevertheless, some factors encouraged upward correction of Brent prices, which settled up at the level slightly above $63 a barrel. WTI is advancing more confidently today after a steep fall yesterday. North American grade surpassed the level of $54.50 a barrel, heading upwards to the level of $55. Oil prices found support from a weekly update of the American Petroleum Institute. The report reads that U.S. crude inventories last week contracted by about 1.5 million barrels. Now investors are anticipating official data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration in the hope that it will also confirm a decline. Meanwhile, the commodity currencies are also going through correction. The dollar-ruble pair climbed higher than 66 points. However, before the opening bell at the Moscow exchange, the pair resumed its slide. Unlike the ruble, the Canadian dollar jumped by over 2% versus the US dollar in the Wall Street trade. The currency pair surpassed the level of 1.3300, and later the trading instrument made a minor downward correction, though it remained trading higher. The focal point of traders is the meeting of OPEC slated for December the 6th in Vienna. Traders pin hopes that Qatar, Russia and other non-OPEC producers will agree production cuts, aiming to tackle imbalance in the oil market. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.